Hey, today we're going to talk about your security and keeping your website secure and safe from hacking. And a big deal that has to do with getting your website hacked has to do with PHP. Of all WordPress sites will be on an old version of PHP and vulnerable, that's a tricky word for me, vulnerable to hacking. So what should you do? Well, chances are that you are not one of the 18% of websites that are on version 7.1 or higher, and you're going to have to deal with this. So it might be helpful to deal with it now, how they're going to fix it, ask them to do it for you, or at least walk you through the steps. Okay, so anyway, PHP, be aware of this, and make sure that you have one of the most updated versions so you are not vulnerable to hacking. And that's it for today. Let me know if you have